stop researching Kajabi's community features. Let me just show you how to do it. Okay? You already have courses, you already have students, and you know that community is your next step for your business, but you just haven't built it yet, probably because you're not sure where to start with the setup, or you're worried you're going to do it wrong. So instead, you just keep spinning and thinking about it. But here's the thing. Clarity, it doesn't come from more research and watching more YouTube videos. It comes from implementation, from actually building it. And I know that you don't want someone else to build it for you. You want to build it yourself. You just don't want to do it alone. You want that guidance. You want to ask questions live. You want somebody who is experienced looking at your community setup before you launch it. And you want to work with a Kajabi expert that has built a ton of Kajabi communities before. But you don't want to pay hundreds of dollars for their expertise. Well, then come and join me at our next Community Build Bootcamp. It's live. It's a hands-on experience where you will build your community inside of your own Kajabi account with my expert guidance every step of the way. Now, when you join our bootcamp, you're going to get all of the prep materials that you will need, including templates, swipe copy, some GPTs to help you get ready for what we're going to do in our live sessions. Okay. Now, our first live session, we build your backend structure in real time. You can unmute, ask questions, and you can get answers to your specific business. Okay. In our second session, we're going to polish your members' experience. We're going to do a welcome email. We're going to customize a members resource page. And I'll show you the 2 ways that you can set up for people to access your community. I'm going to make it super simple for you. Okay. Now we are doing this live because implementation changes everything. Okay. You do not need more tutorials to follow. You need to put the time on your calendar and have the expert in the room. And you need the confidence that what you're building is structured correctly. Okay. If you're ready to stop researching and actually build your Kajabi community, click the link below. You'll see the upcoming bootcamp dates and you can secure your spot for the next live round. You're going to build it once, you're going to build it properly, and you're going to build it with confidence. Let's do this.